Google just launched some incredible AI tools that would send a lot of startups out of the market. You guys are not ready for this. First of all, Google announces the Veo3, the latest successor to the Veo2 video generation, with super amazing quality, adherence to prompts and text. The most fascinating thing about Veo3 is the native audio generation, which means that your video can now come with background audio, sound effects, and lip syncing easily and effortlessly. Isn't this amazing? Here are some samples of what Veo3 can do.
Oh, I think that would be marvelous.
Yes, it is very fun.
Yes, it is very good.
It's very fun.
We can talk as cartoons.
This is amazing.
Imagine all the narrative possibilities.
I can talk.
This ocean, it's a force, a wild, untamed might.
A ball today. It bounced higher than I can jump.
What manner of magic is that?
With Video Gen 3, it is almost impossible to tell the difference between a real video and an AI-generated video. But guess what? Google has the special feature which is called Synth ID, which helps you identify if an image is AI-generated or a video was created using AI. Cool, right? The Veo3 and most of the latest release from Google is currently available only in the US, and the price starting from $250. Considering that you don't have to use 4 different software to achieve one amazing result, what do you think about the price point? Let me know in the comment section. In addition to the Veo2 video generator, Google also released Imagen 4, which is the latest image generation compared to the Imagen 3, which is the old image generation. This has a very good, amazing image quality up to 2K resolution, which is good for printing and high quality definition images. It takes into account the tiniest detail in each picture, and you'll be able to see the incredible beauty of each image generated by this software. Take a look at some of the beautiful images it took and the detail. Pay attention to the detail. Only a very good DSLR camera can actually give you this amazing quality at close shots. Unlike Image Gen 3, Image Gen 4 gets your text super correctly. Any text you want to appear in your video or in your images appear the exact way you have typed it right there in your pictures. It's super correct, unlike the errors it gives in the past. You can access this through the Google Image FX website, and you will see a button that says Try Whisk. Once you click on that, it takes you to the Image Gen 3 website, and you'll be able to generate high quality, high definition images that adhere strictly to your prompts, and also gives you more creative, beautiful images. These are some of the images I downloaded while trying this out, and it all came out beautifully. You can also animate your images up to 7 to 8 seconds long with your own given prompts. Please note, whatever you generate using Whisk, please save it on your phone or on your computer, as at the time of making this video, it does not store your information on Whisk, so you have to save it down to your phone gallery. I'm sure you're getting value from this video, so why not give it a like so that the YouTube algorithm can show it to more people like you, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more awesome content like this. Let's continue. The next amazing tool we're going to be talking about is Flow. Flow is powered by Gemini 2.5. It generates quality images for you with Imagen 4 and transforms your images into video using Veo3. With the powerful combination of these three, you are guaranteed a flawless, seamless video transition from one scene to another. You can extend your images and make them seamless. Flow also has something called ingredients to video, which means that you can upload several reference images and give it a prompt, and it will merge these images together and give you an actual movie scene. This is super powerful because now the cost of producing a movie will reduce drastically compared to the way it used to, when film producers actually create actual scenes just to bring some part of the movies to life. With the advent of AI, all these things can be done with a click of a button, and at just $249 per month, this is a very good deal for movie producers. We are not even close to being done yet. Stitch is another extremely powerful AI designer that helps you design user interfaces for software and mobile apps. As at the time of recording this video, it is absolutely free, so you can check it out. With just a little bit of prompts and maybe some sketches, with this you can design a user interface of a website, either mobile design or the laptop view, or an app from start to finish. And you can also make minor edits or major edits, and it will effect it as you stated. And guess what? With just a click of a button, you can copy the code and easily edit it wherever you want, or export it to Figma for more refinement. Now let's give it this prompt. Create a dashboard for an indoor plant care with watering schedule, sunlight requirements per plant, and fertilization reminder. And this is what it created for us. So I added another thing. Can you update the aesthetics to be a bit more green? And it did just that. And look at another example. This is absolutely stunning and incredible. What are you going to be creating with Stitch? In case you are not aware, Google search is slowly dying with all the blue links that you have to click one after the other. And guess what? Whenever you search, the top search are only sponsored adverts. It gets tiring when you have to look into all this link one after the other. That is why Google has introduced AI mode. With this AI mode, you can have a conversation with Google. It will go all over the internet and search for basic results depending on your request. So you don't have to search rigorously one after the other, looking through different websites just to make a choice. With this, it will help you scan through all the several websites and bring to you exactly what you needed. I bet you thought that was all. But guess what? Google dropped another insane AI tool called Jules. This is an online coding agent that can inspect your code and do tasks that you assign it. You can also integrate these to your website in order for you to have a personalized service that is integrated to your own system. It is similar to OpenAI Codex, but this is far more superior. To get access to this, go to jules.google. Once you sign up on Jules at jules.google, you connect your account to your GitHub, and you can connect it to all your repository or connect it to just one particular repository. Then you can now click on join and assign it a task and watch it perform its magic. For example, I gave it this prompt: find areas where I can optimize the code or make the code shorter without affecting anything. And it went ahead giving me so many different options, step-by-step guide at which it will take to do all this. As you can see from the right hand side, the red ones are the ones it wants to remove, and the green ones are the ones it's replacing the code with. And I can preview this, and once I approve it, then it will publish. You can actually assign multiple tasks to this agent at the same time. Google is actually generous. As at the time of making this video, you can assign 5 tasks a day to Jules, all for free. I'll leave the link to access it in the description box. And yet again, there is also an update on Gemini Live. Gemini Live is an automated voice assistant that can help you search for anything on the internet and give you online real-time information regarding your search. You can also share your screen with it, chat with it, or use your voice to ask some questions. You can also get access to this for free using the Google AI Studio or using the Gemini app. Once you are on the Google AI Studio, click on Stream. You have three major options to choose from. You can either talk to it, let it access your camera for webcam, or share your screen.
Hi there.
Hey there. Can you summarize the major announcements of the Google's I/O 2025 events?
Google I/O 2025 had some really big announcements. They focused heavily on AI advancements, introducing new features in their products powered by AI, and also showcased updates to Android, their cloud platform, and their hardware innovations. A lot of it was centered around making AI more integrated into everyday user experiences.
Tell me their updates regarding Gemini Live.
Gemini Live received some significant updates. They enhanced its ability to have more natural, real-time conversations, making it feel much more like a fluid interaction. They also improved its understanding of context and the ability to handle more complex queries in real time.
That was just an example of how you can converse with the Gemini AI in case you don't want to type. It converses with you online real time as if you're talking to a person. There's also this added feature, which is native speech generator, that speaks back to you or reads out whatever text.
This means the model can converse in more expressive ways. It can capture the really subtle nuances of how we speak. It can even seamlessly switch to a whisper like this.
The model can begin speaking in English, but then ये हिंदी या किसी भी और भाषा में switch कर सकता है, and switch back, all with the same voice.
So if you go to Google AI Studio, you see the native speech generation. You can click on it, come to the right hand side and click on single speaker and listen to any of the voices that catches your fancy.
Ready to build something awesome today?
Got a project in mind?
What do you want to explore?
Ready to make
Then you can basically type out what you want them to say, or you can click on the multiple speaker, listen to some of the voices and select the voice you would prefer to have a two-way dialogue with themselves. Then I gave it this instruction: read aloud in a warm, welcoming note. And this is what we have.
Hello! We're excited to show you our native speech capabilities.
Where you can direct a voice, create realistic dialogue, and so much more. Edit these placeholders to get started.
This is also absolutely free to access from the Google AI Studio. I'll leave a link to the website in the description if you want to check it out. Gemini Live has been with us for a while, but Google just introduced Project Astra, which is an online interactive agent that you can interact with online real time, and it will go into your phone and different apps that you have on your phone or your laptop and bring to you instant or immediate solutions to your problems based on the search on the internet. Here is a quick demo of how it works.
Go online and look for a user's manual for a Huffy mountain bike.
I have found a user manual for you. What would you like to know about it?
Okay, cool. Now scroll until you find the section about the brakes.
Sure thing. Looking for that page now.
I think I stripped this screw. Can you go on YouTube and find a video for how to fix that?
Of course. I'm opening YouTube now. This looks like a good video.
Place a rubber band over the head of the screw.
Oh, nice.
Press down
Nice.
firmly.
Can you go through my emails with the bike shop and find which size hex nut I need?
Sure. According to the email from Bicycle Habitat, you need a 3/8" hex nut for your sprocket. I've highlighted the correct bin for you.
It seems like I need a spare tension screw. Can you call the nearest bike shop and see what they have in stock?
Yep. Calling them now. I'll get back to you with what they have in stock.
I think my brake pads are wearing down. Can you check the manual again and see if it talks about them anywhere?
According to the manual, if you look on page 24,
Do you want to get lunch? Yeah, give me 5 minutes. Can you finish what you were saying?
as I was saying, if you look on page 24, section 2, you'll see how to replace the brake pads.
Hey, any updates on that call?
Yep, I just got off of the bike shop. They confirmed they have your tension screw in stock. Would you like me to place a pickup order?
Could you show me some examples of dog baskets I can put on my bike?
Sure, I can help you with that. Just give me a moment. Here are some options. I think Zuka would look really great in these.
This is really super exciting, especially for people who are lazy or extremely busy professionals who want to still get things done through their phone with the information they already have. This is yet to be released to the public, but you can join the waitlist to get notified once it is released. There is no public release date yet, but once you sign up to their newsletter, you'll be notified when it is ready. In addition to all the products we've been talking about since morning, we have another one. It's called Gemma 3N. This is an AI model that can run on as low as 2 gigabytes of RAM, which means that it works both online and offline. In case you are in a deserted location or a new country where you don't have internet connection, it's still going to work. Here is an example of how it works despite the fact that the user is currently not connected to the internet.
Can you tell me about this replica?
Certainly. This is a replica of a Virgin Galactic Spaceship One, a suborbital spacecraft. It's a model of the vehicle used for testing and demonstration flights.
Gemma 3M is designed to be mobile first. It also runs on multimodal understanding, which means that it can understand text, images, voice notes, and videos. But at the moment, it's only working for text and images. Other parameters are coming up soon. Gemma 3N is trained from models from over 140 languages, which means it can translate and transform text from one language to another. This is currently open source. You can either download it from GitHub or access it through the Google AI Studio. All you have to do is click on the button at the top right corner and switch to Gemma 3N. You see the one with the 4 billion. And with this, you'll be able to have access to Gemma 3N no matter the device you are using. Also, Gemini 2.5 just got an upgrade. Now we have it as Gemini 2.5 Pro and does a lot of amazing job. It is topping the chart on the chatbot arena overview. In terms of comparison to so many other AI products, Gemini 2.5 Pro is topping the charts. Now embedded with Deep Think, which gives it the capability to think deeper and give good and correct answers to complex questions like mathematical questions, coding, and also multimodality, which gives it the ability to multitask and do so many things at the same time and give you perfect results. Google is currently topping the charts when it comes to AI products, and they are just getting started with us. I hope you are as excited as I am. Finally, at the Google event, Google also introduced the Android XR. This is their new AI-powered operating system designed for headsets and glasses. It is designed to give you an immersive hands-free experience. This uses Google Gemini models which are integrated into the operating system, and this allows for content-aware assistance and natural conversations with the user. You can just ask it questions and it will display the answers right on your screen. You can ask it for direction and location. Just consider this as the Google map on your screen. You can also ask it questions about objects and items in your environment, and it will identify them and have a natural conversation with you explaining what each of those items are. It can also help you with translations from other languages to your own languages for easy communication, and best of it, it also can connect to your phone for better user experience. And that brings us to the end of this particular video. If you actually got value from this video, do well to give it a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more AI information updates. If you have any questions at all, please do well to drop it in the comment section. And if you have anything you would like me to create content about, also drop it in the comment section. I'll do well to attend to your comments as soon as possible. Let me know where you're watching me from in the comment section, and check out some of my previous videos and you will be glad you did. Till I come your way next time, stay tuned for more videos on AI.